Thinking about your first bikini wax but nervous about the pain or the process? You're definitely not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through the most important tips and expert advice to make your waxing experience smooth and stress-free. Stick around, we're breaking it all down beginner style. Welcome to MTH Health, the faceless channel that keeps it real when it comes to body care, self-care, and everything in between. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for weekly wellness videos. So why choose waxing over shaving? Waxing removes hair from the root, which means you stay smoother for longer. Unlike shaving, there's no rough stubble the next day. Plus, consistent waxing can make hair grow back finer, softer, and less noticeable over time. Before you wax, a little prep goes a long way. First, let your hair grow at least 1/4 of an inch. That's about the length of a grain of rice. Gently exfoliate 24 hours before waxing to remove dead skin and help prevent ingrown hairs. Skip the caffeine. It can make your skin more sensitive. And always do a patch test with any new wax to check for allergic reactions. There are two main types of wax: soft wax and hard wax. Soft wax uses strips and is great for large areas like legs. But for the bikini area, hard wax is your best friend. It grabs the hair, not the skin, so it's gentler and less painful. Choose a formula that's fragrance-free and made for sensitive skin. Now let's get into how to actually wax the bikini area step by step. Step 1. Clean and dry the area thoroughly. Step 2. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth. Step 3. Let it set for a few seconds. Step 4. Hold the skin taut and pull the wax off quickly in the opposite direction. Step 5. Apply a soothing gel or oil immediately afterward. Aloe vera works great. Don't touch the area with your hands and avoid scrubbing or exfoliating for at least 24 hours. Worried about pain? Here are some pro tips. Take an over-the-counter pain reliever like ibuprofen about 30 minutes before waxing. Use a cold compress to numb the area a little beforehand. Breathe deeply and stay relaxed. It helps more than you think. And remember, the first time is always the hardest. It gets easier. After waxing, your skin needs a little TLC. Wear loose, breathable clothing to avoid irritation. Don't hit the gym, go swimming, or take hot baths for at least 24 hours. After 2 days, gently exfoliate the area to prevent ingrown hairs. And most importantly, keep it moisturized. And that's your beginner-friendly guide to bikini waxing. Got questions or concerns? Drop them in the comments. We respond to every one. Like this video if you learned something new, and share it with a friend who's curious about waxing. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart health and self-care content from MTH Health.